How to create a simple table widget in Flutter. Firstly, we create a table widget. Inside of it, we create a row with 3 cells. Next, we create the buildRow method, whereas we create a table row, and inside of it, we put all the cells inside and create for each of them a text widget. With this, the text of the 3 cells are displayed next to each other horizontally, and within the table, we can also define a border around. And finally, for each of the cells, you can also put other widgets inside. So I include some padding around, and I also center this widget so that it is displayed inside of the middle. And lastly, next to one row, we want to change first of all the data, and then we create also 2 other rows, which are then displayed under this row that we have already created. Let's also create a header row on top, and therefore we go down to our build row and create a different text style for our header. So if we have a header, then we have a bold text, otherwise we have a normal text. And now we define also this header within the method, and also we set the isHeader flag to true for the header row. With this, we have the header as a bold text. Let's also change it to the actual column name. And lastly, you can change the width of each of your columns. Therefore, you define the column width, whereas the first column takes 50% of the space and the other one only 25% of the remaining space.